Madeline and we are Saki and Stories. Today we are going on our first camping trip to Fumotoppara. Quite an exciting journey because we have been here for about a week now and this is our first nature trip. So we are picking up the car now at Toyota Car Rental.
はい、お待ちしておりました。はい、ありがとうございます。ではお預かりします。
We're here somewhere, I mean, inside there.
Yay! Yay! This is our car.
For the day.
And tomorrow.
Yeah. Off day. Hey, seatbelt.
And you wonder where he got his license from.
The seatbelt. The alarm is.
Feelings fog my head, melancholy.
Yeah, we are at a grocery looking for the cheapest tomato.
What you said as I'm counting power lines. You're the sunlight on my face, a shadow on the lake where I go to hide away. You're a fix that helps the ache in the shadow of the waves, and always been the same. Find a way to ease the pain.
English.
Coastline calls my name like a spirit in the dark. You're the sunlight on my face, a shadow on the lake where I go to hide away. You're a fix that helps the ache in the shadow of the waves, and always been the same. Find a way to ease the pain.